In a lush, tropical paradise, where the sun kissed the earth with a golden glow, there lived a unique bird, the tropicbird. This enchanting creature had a heart as vibrant as the coral reefs and feathers as white as the pristine sand. One day, the tropicbird found itself in a predicament. Its feathers, once a symbol of beauty, were now dull and worn, and its song, once melodious, had faded into a mere whisper. The once vibrant bird was now a shadow of its former self. The tropicbird, feeling the weight of its faded glory, decided to embark on a journey to regain its lost splendor. It flew high into the sky, searching for the fabled feather falls, a place where the most beautiful feathers grew. After days of tireless flight, the tropicbird finally arrived at Feather Falls. The sight was breathtaking, with feathers of every color cascading down like a rainbow waterfall. The tropicbird, filled with anticipation, reached out to pluck a feather. But as it did, a voice echoed through the air, "Take only what you need, but never take more." The tropicbird, realizing the wisdom in the words, carefully chose a single feather, one that matched its spirit, a feather of radiant gold. With its new feather, the tropicbird returned to its home. As it spread its wings, the sunlight reflected off the golden feather, bringing back the luster that had been lost. Its song, once a mere whisper, now filled the air with a melody that echoed through the paradise. The tropicbird, once again, was a symbol of beauty and grace. But it never forgot the lesson it learned at Feather Falls, to take only what one needs and to never forget the wisdom of moderation. And so, the tropicbird continued to fly, its golden feathers shimmering under the tropical sun, a reminder to all who saw it of the importance of balance and the power of self-renewal.